your whole ass like you dog me. Alrighty. Alright, y'all, we headed home after we just took a little photo shoot right here at this little spot by Rose Hills. Let's see what kind of shenanigans we get into right now. Hopefully you guys could be able to hear my blow-off valve adapter right now. Let's go, slow ass. It's freaking dark out right now. I got somebody on my ass for the content over here. I don't entertain nobody. Did all that just to go right here. What a fool. Bitch, I'ma dog your whole ass. So we had the CTS, the Cadillac, try to get some clout off the 360 cam. Honestly, that shit sounds like a V6 straight pipe. Racing with that one. Shut them down, Trey. Shut them down. That shit sound ugly. Good thing that fool showed up, man, for the clout. ass, dude. Oh, we got a 5-0. Bitch, I'ma dog your whole ass like you dog me. Oh, shut him down, Trey. Shut him down. 360. Oh, I want to get behind the camera. Ooh. Okay. If anything, we got a POV out of it too. Alright guys, we're just heading home right now. We had a couple cars try to get some clout off the 360. Shit, you know how it goes. They see the 360 cam, motherfuckers wanna act out. Hey, but it's all good. It's all in love, bro. Like, I see cars out here, I respect them. Like, when they rev their shit up, you know, don't get me wrong, I would love to strap a 360 cam on their shit and just see what the point of view would be, because, you know, I feel like that's what I want this channel to be. You know, I kind of want to put a 360 cam on almost any car. And I'm Mike Jones. I don't know why I was trying to play with that Cadillac though. That's right. 360 Insta. That's what's up. Thank you, guy. Ah, that was a weak ass turbo. I was like, here's a That's fun. That's fun. That is so fun. Alright, y'all. If I didn't say it before, I'll say it now. I appreciate you guys who tuned in, rocking with your boy, liking all my videos, watching everything, man. Appreciate you guys tuned in. They about to do smoke a joint or a sick ass fools. Dude, my tent is so dark you can't even see shit when I'm backing in. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching, tuning in. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps with the channel. I need you guys to put your boy on, man. So come on, fuck with your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. It's too dark as fuck in here. And we out here. One love.